Welcome to the amazing journey of how Lay's chips are made inside a real factory.
These potatoes are separated and guided towards the cleaning section.
Powerful water jets wash off all dirt and impurities. Rotating brushes polish the potatoes to prepare them for cutting.
Clean potatoes now enter the slicing machine.
Blades slice them into perfectly thin chip slices within seconds.
The slices are shaken to remove any remaining surface moisture.
Now comes the most important step, frying.
Slices enter the fryer and cook until they turn golden and crispy.
Each chip puffs up beautifully while frying.
Freshly fried chips move out of the fryer onto cooling conveyors.
Air tunnels cool the chips instantly to keep them crispy.
Now it's time to add the iconic flavors.
Flavors like masala, BBQ, or classic salt are evenly coated on every chip.
Seasoned chips now move toward quality inspection. Advanced sensors detect imperfections with high accuracy.
Next, chips are weighed precisely to match pack sizes. Multi-head weighers ensure every packet contains the exact amount.
Lay's packaging rolls are prepared and printed with bright designs. Fresh chips. Now drop into bags at lightning speed.
Machines seal the Lay's chips packets instantly to lock in freshness. Date and batch codes are printed for tracking and safety. Packed Lay's chips packets travel to the boxing and shipping area. Robotic arms carefully arrange Lay's chips packets into cartons. Sealed cartons move across the factory for final dispatch.
And that's how your favorite Lay's chips travel from farm to your hands.
Trucks are loaded and prepared for nationwide delivery. The warehouse stores thousands of freshly packed Lay's chips boxes.